Hi guys, welcome to App Guru. In this video, I will show you how to get Unbanned from Omegle on laptop. First, open your browser and then turn on a VPN. Then, choose the location as Paris, France. After that, enable AdBlock if it's available. Now, connect your VPN. Once your VPN is connected, go to Omegle.com. As you can see, Omegle is working just fine right now. And that's it. There's one more way to solve the problem. First, go to google.com and click on your profile on the top right. From here, select and log in to another account. As you can see, now I'm logged in to another account. Now, just search and go to omegle.com. As you can see, it's working just fine. And that's it. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.